help me put on
Betty, what are you doing?
Can you help me put
That's
on
your pumpkin dance. Yay!
Can you help me put on the third eyeball?
I will, baby. It's her Frankenstein pumpkin dance.
Here's my finger style dance. Here's my finger
Oh, your
style dance.
mosquitoes are out. All right, Brooke, show me where you want it. Right here?
See.
You want it up on the hat?
Yeah.
See the pick is right.
It's the first eyeball.